Welcome for Football in Pidgin. After match talk, how you see how Chelsea 2 and Leicester City 1, and we get Oga Ose, we be Ogbonge Chelsea fan, make tell us about how into the game. Oga Ose, now what do you get to talk about this performance from Chelsea?
At least Blues tried today, but to me that performance never reached what we dey expect. The team never see balance, never gel well. We see they lack some things for the team. At least now, you see as Kante and all the now we dey struggle. Understand? Move our attack. We need to see how at least that Aubameyang and more small carry and come. One defensive midfielder need to see the team. Okay. And time we just sign for Fofana already, as in we don't agree for Fofana. Most say it will be. But say based on this performance, not complete, but we are pleased we win.
All right, now
3 points.
Like you talk, 3.9 short pass, but even though say you the performance no reach where una they expect as Chelsea fans. But you talk about Aubameyang now. We don't hear for the inside the Tori people they talk say Barcelona want about 30 million for Aubameyang. You think say make Chelsea pay the money whatever Barcelona want to make sure say they secure the player, I mean make they see the price because now only 5 days now remain for inside the transfer market now. How you see that matter?
Ideally, if they get the money to pay, make they pay. Normally they need to pay because if you not see get her now, what would they lose? Still cost us far 30 million since they don't end. You understand? Man City when they buy players, don't the reason they are mad. So we sign Lukaku almost 100. Where Lukaku today now? After one season now, we don't push him again. So if we still bring and come maybe everywhere for the okay, we bring and come, no matter. At least if we succeed, na plus, we not reaching the money again. So that's what just be. So if I buy and come, na plus to us. So 30 million for me not really bad.
Okay, no be lie. So but which player now and I stand out for you for this man? Which player be your man of the match?
For me for this game, might just go with James. First start from central defense, but later when you go two, we see improvement. And Sterling, you know say they miss ball normally anyhow, but at least if he convert this to so, he do okay with us. Because if Sterling not do for nothing score, and James still bring the assist score give him too. So that's so it still be.
All right, now with Sterling now, you talk about Sterling now, say today he still deliver, even though say he miss chance. What do you get to talk about the Sterling signing so far? If you want return with what you don't see from 1 to 10, how you go rate the Raheem Sterling signing since he become Chelsea player?
I go give him an 8. My rating na 8. Normally Sterling a good player. At least he better pass all the wingers what we get now. From Paul Lucic to Timo Werner, Ziyech. Sterling don play but pass all of them. He don win trophy pass them. So for me na good signing. My only prayer for him is say make he keep consistent. I my only prayer for Sterling. But say I think they play. Normally Sterling na a good player.
All right, now, what do you get to talk about Edward Mendy now? We know say for the last game against Leeds United, that one not be one of the best performance, but how you see Mendy performance for this match now?
At least Mendy still make some good saves now. At least, even the one where Vardy miss, the way he approach him, make Vardy go far. At least Mendy they make saves. For saves that's very good, but you know say footwork they very bad. And also, maybe we still try to limit our back playing too much for the team. Now they worry us. So meant for us, now still our number one. So even for Premier League, now he be number one. Don't they argue with anybody. So men still there to go.
No be lie now. But how many signings now you think say Chelsea with what you see today, this performance? Like how many signings you think say Chelsea still need before the transfer window? We don't hear the links about Aubameyang for Fofana. They talk say that one a done deal. So but in all, even they talk about Anthony Gordon, the guy from the winger from Everton. So like how many signings you they expect before the transfer window will finish?
Before I go say as if Fofana won't feel come now, if say only one feel okay. But at the moment now I need 2.
2 more.
Yeah, we need replacement for Kante. It don't clear if Kante leave our matches now. Everywhere they pour us. So it don't clear. So we need one attacker, we need one midfielder. I don't feel complete. They are for our wingers. With time, they still blend. They be good players individually, but I know the injury problem. But if they fit this time around, we're not playing with wingers. Now just that midfield now and our attack. And Kante also know the age. So I'm thinking our age says he's joining the Warrior Kante. So the load's too much. Just know the help matter. Kovacic too, that they go injury up and down. So we need one midfielder for that team.
So make sure say everywhere they go well. Yeah. All right now, Oga Ose, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.